Tonight's gonna be the first hotel review I get to do with this.
What is that?
The lights are coming on and off. With this GoPro. That'd be crazy if we got a haunted room. Giving the bed the old bed bug check. Yeah, it's not a Hampty. This is the first Territorial Inn, which is definitely taken from the first Territorial Gel here. Our view, I will show you once we're outside. Our view is just the parking lot, so nothing spectacular. Breakfast is at 6 to 9. This is kind of cool. This camera is really easy to maneuver. Here's the bathroom. Everything's pretty basic. It was relatively cheaper than what I'm used to spending. Oh, they give you the old, I guess there was probably something, I don't know, the hole in the door. You said there's blood on the ceiling? Oh, and that light is being possessed. Oh, there it is. So maybe we got a haunted room. Where is it at? Oh, I do see. Right there. Yeah, we got a crime scene room. So we brought Mama here to enjoy in this little trip. And now she's munching on some snacks. We'll take her on a walk in a minute. But for now, we are going to Senor Lopez.
Oh, you better eat all those.
Testing my front camera. Probably a little too close. Oh, there's my dog. Oh, she's right over here. Just got back from Senor Lopez. It was very good. I highly suggest it if you come here. But yeah, I just want to test out my front camera facing me, which is cool. This is my test for this one. Front facing camera. We're about to go find the ice here and then make some margaritas. Ooh. There you go. Look at her being all excited. Letting Mama go for a walk. Out here in this green field. Oh, how green it is.
This is probably somewhere Jazz could stay for longer than 2 weeks. Because like they have a little pool like this.
Hey, good morning. Man, I look sleepy as heck. It's kind of weird being able to film myself for these videos. But, yep, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, more like 5:30. I'm out here taking Mama on a walk. So, we're going to do that, then go in there and see what we can eat for breakfast. I can definitely tell you that the beds here at this Territorial Inn are not like the Hamptons. And the AC did not get as cold as I like. I like it to be like an ice box when I sleep. But, you know, it is what it is. Whoop. Gotta get off her and let her do her business. Look at this random bench out there just pointing toward this field. I guess you can come smoke your cigarettes out here or something. I don't know. There's a group of construction workers that were outside my window smoking some weed, which I have no problem with, but it was just kind of weird to walk out there and there'd be like 13 people in a group. Kind of reminded me of high school. Anyways. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wonder what stays in this deep hole. I guess nothing. It's probably for water to go through. Alright, let's go check out breakfast. Here's their pool area. Can't go to it from on the inside. Look at that. They did a pretty good job of restoring the rest of the place around here. Like, I've seen it throughout the years. It started as like a pretty crappy looking building, and they formed it into a pretty nice looking on the outside hotel, and I'll film some on the inside. But they have not got this pool restored yet. Also, just to look on this side over here, there's that beautiful Hampton Inn. And it is packed. That's what it told me yesterday on the internet, that there was no available rooms. And I was curious about that, but it looks like they're not kidding. It's way more packed than over here. This is just full of semis and construction vehicles. And some RVs back there, but that's really it. And it reeks of weed over here. It doesn't reek of weed over there. I am really liking how this camera looks on the screen in front of me. And I'm really liking that you can flip it around and face you, even though I'm not really awake enough or dressed up enough to be on camera. I kind of like that I can do it now. So that's pretty cool. It's a good little perk of this camera. And it tells you like the life of the SIM card and all that stuff on here, which is kind of cool. I'm not for sure if it just blacked out or not. The screen went black, so I don't know what that's about. I'm still gonna have to learn it a little bit. There's that Territorial Inn sign. And I do have a picture from a long time ago where I was in one of those top windows over there, and this sign was on the ground, and Ashty took a picture of me by the sign way out here. Let's see if I can find that and put that up on the screen. That would be kind of cool to me. I got time. It's clear to see. I always thought this was kind of a cool little view for travelers. Like, you just pull over here, you know, pull off the road. Thought this would be always a cool. I thought this was always a cool little view for travelers. Like driving down the highway, you need to pull over. You get in one of these hotels, you got the food near you, so it's a good little spot for that. It's just easy back on the highway. I don't know, it just looks like a cool traveling view. Oh. As you see, these homes can use a little bit of light. It's relatively dark, especially down the hall. I guess it looks like it's brighter than it is in real life. Here's this front lobby area. Looks relatively good, like a traveler's inn. Here's the breakfast dining area. Kind of giving me Wyoming feelings. Let's check out some of the food. time to pack up and leave. Oh, there's the ghost light doing its thing.